going on here?
What happened? You didn't tell me you are coming. What happened now? I'm just asking you what happened. This one you just enter like masquerade. You don't want to even talk to me. What happened?
It's my rent, and my rent just expired last week, and my landlord is on my neck.
Your landlord should calm down now. You suppose know certain things are hard now. Why is he doing like this? Don't worry, God will provide.
Business is not going well now, and I don't know what to do. I'm stranded. I don't have any money right now.
Is that why your face is like this? Don't worry, God will provide, okay?
What do you mean God will provide? Are you not my boyfriend? You're supposed to sort this for me. You're my boyfriend.
Okay. I did not know that you want me to give you money. Yeah? Because you did not ask me. I was thinking maybe you have other plans, you want to sort it out on your own. You did not ask me now.
Oh, you're expecting me to ask you first before you give me money. You know I needed this. Why do you want me to ask you first?
You have to ask me, oh. If you need money from me, you have to ask me. Yeah? You send it on WhatsApp, babe, I need money. I will have it as an evidence.
Okay.
Not the one I will give you finish now. Tomorrow you come and tell me, did I ask you? Did I ask you? You have to ask me, oh. You have to ask me. Yeah? You guys, anytime when I want something, now I no go straight to the point. You'll be beating around the corner. Do you want money or not?
I do.
You want money, Abi?
Yes.
Write it on WhatsApp. So, I just paid for my babe house rent. She asked me and I did. I want to encourage all men to pay for their babe house rent and support them. Thank you.
Baby, why are you making video and posting it on the internet telling people you pay my rent?
You know, some women get short memory. Even if you forget, internet never forgets.